Hello all, thanks for your interest in the VACANTSPACE VS-01 bathroom privacy indicator lock. Today I'm going to show you how to install this on a standard size door, like right here. This is a drop-in replacement and fits most doors up to 2 inches thick. It's a super sturdy piece of hardware and is suitable for commercial or residential installations. So let's get started. The default vacant position will have the spindle showing vertical, like so. The latch comes 60 and 70 millimeters backset adjustable. Our door here is set for 60 millimeters backset. Once you get the spindle into the latch, just make sure it's in all the way. Now looking at the door from the inside, take the interior lever, use the included pin to remove the lever and set aside. On the back side, what you need to do is adjust this rose plate to this open position, flip it back and use your finger to pop it out to expose the holes for mounting. Now affix the rose plate back on. When you're ready to install the lever, make sure this lock is in the vertical position and pop it in. With everything tight and aligned, you're going to take the included screws and tighten down the latch to the door. The last step would be to turn the lever and make sure that it is engaging the latch. So here's the final installation of the lock installed on our door here. I want to mention again, only tying down the mounting screws tight enough where it's going to prevent any undesirable wobbling, but not too tight where it's going to cause any issues. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any issues during your installation, please feel free to comment or reach out to us through the links in our bio.